Hello and welcome to Miss Shaw's math learning video for Wednesday. These are going to be activity 2 from the math slides. Our objective today is I can count and name a group or set of objects with up to 5 objects. When you are writing your answers, you can use these sentence stems to help you. So this is going to be a practice. Count the stars. I'm going to show you on the next page. Match the number of stars with counters. Say, blank counters represent the number blank. For example, 5 counters represent the number 5, but you would draw 5 counters, and then you would write the number 5 here. Let's practice together. For example, if you are going to represent the number 1, here is your picture, your object, 1 star. 1 star and 1 counter, and you would write the number 1. So you could draw a number 1 object and then write the number 1. Here are 2 stars. 1, 2. To represent 2 stars, I would need 2 counters. Here are my counters. 1, 2. So you can draw a picture of 2 counters and the number 2. Here I have 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to have 3 counters. I need 3 counters to represent 3 stars. So I pulled 1, 2, 3 counters. Then I would write the number 3 on my paper. Let's count these stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to pull 4 counters to match 4 stars. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 counters match 4 stars, and I would write the number 4 on my paper. What number do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now I need how many counters? You're right. I need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would draw 5 counters on my paper and write the number 5. Now you try. On a piece of paper, draw objects that represent numbers 1 through 5 and write the number. Thanks for watching my math video. Come back tomorrow. See you tomorrow.